Hello, kamusta mga Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Chinese bootlegs, and I bought this kit from HobbyWang in Shopee Ph at a reasonable price. And this kit is the bootleg version of the Gundam STARGAZER, which is very iconic. An iconic movie, I think, or OVA of the Gundam Seed. So this is a Gundam Seed STARGAZER. I only had the striped lawyer from that series, and finally there's this protagonist kit from the title itself, STARGAZER. And to be honest, it's not STARGAZER from the kit's name, but most of the fans or the Gunpla builders tell that this is a STARGAZER, a bootleg of STARGAZER. So I cannot call it Gundam STARGAZER, but a bootleg STARGAZER. So this is none other than this Glory Eternal Star. So as you can see, the design is really the STARGAZER Gundam, and the China, of course, China is avoiding the copyright sue for using names of kit that is being done by Bandai, something like that. So they avoid that, so they change names, they put other names for that kit. And this is the other side of the box. You can see Glory Eternal Star. They change it to Eternal Star instead of STARGAZER. So let's check this kit out, and based on the reviews and based on the pictures I found in Facebook, most fans is very satisfied with this kit. So I didn't hesitate to buy this kit, even though I don't like bootleg kits, because I had a bad experience for building bootlegs before, but nowadays I think bootlegs is now improving. Anyway, let's give it a try. Glory Eternal Star Chinese bootlegs. So the box art here shows two sides of the Glory Eternal Star. So here we can see the gold lightings of the kit. So it's very nice, it's very magnificent, and we can see the logo here. It's from the brand Super Super and Supreme Evolution. Yep, I think this is the brand, the Supreme Evolution. So we can see in the side of the box the rear view and front view of the kit. So it's very nice. It's a decent looking depiction for the Gundam STARGAZER. And yep, we can see this circular backpack here, and it can wield the sword, not sword, but a gun, the beam rifle. And the back of the box, we can see another depiction for the Eternal Star. So we can see there's this, it's like a black hole background there, and we can see here the other side of the box, how to transform the backpack. And there it can split into half, so it's like a butterfly wings now, or it can be placed underneath the feet. So that's it. And one thing I like in its box is it's very thick. The item is secure, and there's this Louis Vuitton style of design here. See, and it says here Supreme Evolutions. It's very nice, very thick. To be honest, it's thicker than the Bandai box, and I think I can preserve this box if I want to. Anyway, these are the contents of the box, and yep, it's too much. There are so much parts here. So this is very. I think it will consume. For me, I can finish this within a day due to its parts complexity. Anyway, let's check first the manual here. There's this Glory installation instruction there, and we can see the parts list here. Very nice, very Chinese, very organized. And there it's like a colored printout for this kit. It's not black and white. And there we can see how to build this kit. I hope this will not be a hand grenade. Anyway, judging by the way it looks, it's not that complicated to build, but the parts is just too much. Yep. And based on the review, they say they are satisfied with the build of this kit. So let's check the parts pieces here. We have grayish black parts here, or dark gray parts, and we have light gray parts here for the Halo backpack. And this crystal designs here is very majestic, very nice for the kit. And there's this dislodged piece here already. Oh no, I hope it is not broken, but it's already dislodged from the runner. Yep, you can see there's this luminous, there's this diamond crystals rainbow glaring effect there. Okay, you can see that. It's very nice. It's like crystallized or diamond glaring effect. Very nice. I love this kit. There's this gold chromed, no, it's not chrome, but gold sprayed part here. There are gold sprayed parts again. It's like silvery gold parts here, and another gold sprayed parts here again. So it's nice, very nice. There's this black parts for the runner, for inner frame parts, white parts, and some pre-painted. These are pre-painted. Look, these are pre-painted, very sexy. So I think I will love this kit. There's this Halo effect parts, and there's this black. So there you have two variations for this. If you like to choose black or gold. So now I have an idea for the Halo effect parts. If you want to use black or gold, so of course I'll use the gold, so make it unique. And we have here gray parts again for the feet and armor pieces. We have white parts here for the armor pieces, other white parts, and some these are polycaps, I think. Yep, like a polycaps. And we have here gray pieces here, and joint pieces there for it's color black. We have white runners here for the armor pieces. We have black pieces here for the inner frame parts. Yep, there are circles there, tiny pieces. And finally, we have here clear green pieces and maroon small pieces here for, I think this one for the face. Yep. And an action base. I think is this an action base? Yep, it looks like a small action base. Yep, this is an action base, but a small foundation there. And finally, we have the foil stickers. There are two sets of foil stickers, blue and green foil stickers. And we have here decals, dry transfer decals. I hate decals. And there we have this how to apply the effect parts. Yep, there are these are the patterns if you want to apply these crystal blades there. And yep, I'm correct, these are the stand, action based stand. Okay, let's build this kit, and I'm very excited. I'm very amazed with this bootleg. So as always, we'll have a quick runner review here before we build the kit. So let's start with this big chunky pieces here, which is the A2 runner. And I noticed that it's also a pre-painted part. So this has a silver paint there. And what made me laugh with this is it says here master grade 1/99.9. this is unique. All I know is 1/100 scale, but this one, it's master grade 1/99.9. Very nice. Very nice Chinese. So this is external star, it says there. And okay, after that we go to the other chunky piece here for the backpack. It says here runner A1 and 1/99.9 master grade. And there's this runner M for white runners with pre-painted parts there. So these are pre-painted with silver. Very nice. And we have here runner K, so we have two sets of runner K. And by the way, I noticed that this plastic is very it's not shiny, it's matted. And I like this plastic because I encountered it with Supernova kits. Supernova kits is very fantastic to build. It's like a Bandai. So even though it's a Chinese bootleg, it's in par with Bandai. Very nice Supernova kits. And also this Supreme Evolution, very nice. And this one here, runner J for white parts here for the backpack, and I think this one for the head. And we have here white runners again for runner L and another runner L. So we have two sets of runner L. So these are matted like plastic. Very nice. All I can say, it's very nice. Yep. And there it is. We have here runner N for gray runner pieces and another runner N. Yep, these are both inner frame parts. So it's matted black or dark gray, matted dark gray color. We have here runner O for inner frame parts and hand pieces here. And we have runner P for, I think this is for the waist and backpack parts. And we have gray parts here for runner B, runner C, and another runner C. So we have two sets of runner C here. And we have black runners. These are shiny plastic. It's not matted now. It's H1 runner, H2, and another H2. So we have two sets of H2 runners for these black parts. And we have two sets of runner E. These are clear green plastic. And we have runner F for this is maroon colored plastic. And we have here small runners for runner I and another runner I. These are for the hand parts, and these are for the fingers, the thumbs, I think. So we have two sets of this, and we have runner for the beam rifle, so it's runner G. And we have polycaps here, it's runner PE. And I didn't open this yet to avoid scratching. So we have here runner H2. So these are black runners. So we have variation here. So we have runner H2 for gold. Instead of black, you can switch to gold. So we have two sets of this, three sets. So we have two blacks and one gold. So it's up to me if I will choose black or gold. And we have runner H1 and H2. So again, there's this black variation and gold variation. So of course, I will choose these gold pieces here. I'll not choose this black. So I'll just keep these as a spare. And we have here parts for the V-fins and for the vents, I think. So these are runner G, runner D. And finally, we have here runner H3, the gold part for the backpack effect. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and let's build this kit and wait for my review in the future. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.